In this video we will discuss job opportunities in the Web 3. Web 3.0, also known as the decentralized web, refers to a vision of the Internet where users have more control over their data and online interactions. It encompasses various technologies such as blockchain, decentralized applications, dApps, smart contracts, and peer-to-peer networks. As Web 3.0 continues to evolve, it presents numerous job opportunities in various areas. Here are some potential job roles and opportunities in the Web 3.0 space. 1. Blockchain developer. 2. Smart contract developer. 3. dApp developer. 4. Solidity developer. 5. Web 3.0 UX, UI designer. 6. Web 3.0 architect. 7. Cryptocurrency analyst. 8. Blockchain consultant. 9. Decentralized finance, DeFi, specialist. 10. Web 3.0 evangelist, writer. If you have not subscribed our channel, please take a while and subscribe it right now. Blockchain developer. With Web 3.0 heavily relying on blockchain technology, there is a high demand for developers with expertise in blockchain platforms like Ethereum, Polkadot, or Solana. Blockchain developers are responsible for building decentralized applications, creating smart contracts, and implementing blockchain solutions. Smart contract developer. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Smart contract developers specialize in writing, deploying, and auditing smart contracts on blockchain platforms. They ensure the security and efficiency of smart contracts. dApp developer. Decentralized applications, dApps, are applications that run on decentralized networks, typically leveraging blockchain technology. dApp developers design and build these applications, ensuring they are secure, scalable, and provide a user-friendly experience. Solidity developer. Solidity is a programming language used for developing smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Solidity developers possess expertise in writing Solidity code and building secure and reliable smart contracts. Web 3.0 UX, UI designer. User experience, UX, and user interface, UI, designers in the Web 3.0 space focus on creating intuitive and visually appealing interfaces for decentralized applications. They work closely with developers to ensure a seamless user experience. Web 3.0 architect. Web 3.0 architects are responsible for designing and implementing the infrastructure of decentralized systems. They have a deep understanding of blockchain technology, distributed systems, and security protocols. Cryptocurrency analyst. As cryptocurrencies and digital assets play a significant role in Web 3.0, cryptocurrency analysts provide insights and analysis on market trends, investment opportunities, and risk assessment. They often work for financial firms, investment companies, or research institutions. Blockchain consultant. Blockchain consultants provide guidance to organizations looking to adopt blockchain technology. They assist with strategy development, technology implementation, and identify use cases where blockchain can bring value. Decentralized finance, DeFi, specialist. DeFi is an important component of Web 3.0, involving decentralized financial applications built on blockchain networks. DeFi specialists understand the intricacies of DeFi protocols, liquidity pools, yield farming, and decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Web 3.0 evangelist, writer. Professionals in this role educate and raise awareness about Web 3.0 concepts, technologies, and their potential impact. They write articles, create content, and engage with the community through social media platforms and industry events. These are just a few examples of the job opportunities in the Web 3.0 space. As the technology advances, new roles and opportunities are likely to emerge. It's essential to stay updated with the latest developments and gain expertise in specific Web 3.0 technologies to thrive in this field.